Okay, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. Do
Yeah.
you work or study?
Outdoor activities.
Do you work or study?
I am
ये
studying
आप
at,
ले लें किताब, आप शुरू करें, आप एग्जामिनर बन जाए, मैं नमाना बन जाता हूँ. Okay, so do you work or study?
I am studying at the moment. I am preparing for my IELTS test.
Very good. Now outdoor activities.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
ਅਸੀਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਹੀ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਬਿਠਾਏ ਨੇ. ਦੱਸੋ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਬੱਚੇ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਬਿਠਾਏ ਨੇ. All right. What do you do in your spare time?
I do many activities in my spare time. I like watch movies, TV, watch movies, reading novels, and also playing cricket.
Okay, watch TV, reading novels, also playing cricket is not good idea. Right? First of all, I watch TV in my free time, which provides me very good entertainment. On the other hand, sometimes I also read novels. This has been my habit since my childhood. And finally, and then talk about third thing. Understand? This is called signpost language and signposting. So, do you like outdoor activities?
Yeah, I like outdoor activities. I like to play cricket because it keeps us.
It keeps us.
It keeps us fit physically and mentally, and we can do our work better.
Okay. What outdoor activities do you like to do?
I like many outdoor activities like badminton, and many other activities. But I like playing cricket.
Okay. Now what about badminton?
I don't like
You
it.
don't like badminton? Okay. So your answers are not properly organized and your answers are short. You should add more. How often do you play cricket?
I do play cricket almost once a week because my schedule is very busy. I have to prepare for my IELTS test.
Okay, so this answer is short. You need to add some more. It sounds like आप हर सवाल का जवाब एक ही तरह दे रहे हैं. You should come up with more ideas. One last question. How much time do you spend outdoors every week?
I spend almost 3 to 4 hours once in a week.
Thank you. बहुत बड़ा एहसान किया आपने इतना अच्छा जवाब देके. हाँ. So the answers are short and these type of answers irritate the examiner. Very short answers, one word answer, one line answer, these answers irritate the examiner and then examiner will irritate you.
Okay.
By the time you open the envelope, then you say, oh, hey, what happened with me? Okay? So you should give proper answers. You're lacking content, right? Magro nahi lana. You just have to give proper answers. Okay? Thank you.